The best cinnamon roll recipe you will ever need. These were the best cinnamon rolls I have ever made. So let me show you how to make them. All right, you're going to take 3/4 cup whole milk, 1/4 cup heavy cream. Please make sure this is on a low kind of heat. You're going to take 2 tablespoons of honey into the warm mixture. Mixture should not exceed 114 degrees. Don't forget to add 1/4 cup butter. Give that a stir. You're going to add your warm mixture to your stand mixer. And then I'm going in with Fleischmann's Rapid Rise yeast. Only 1 package is enough. So then I'm going to add 2 eggs, room temperature, to the mixture. Please make sure your eggs are room temperature or you'll kill your yeast. 4 to 4.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I used 4 based off my dough and how it was responding in the mixer. Add each cup separately, not all at once, or you will kind of stress the dough out. I changed hooks on my paddle mixer there. I like to heat my oven to 175 degrees and turn it off, and then place my dough in with the towel over the top. You have to monitor the dough to double in size. This is very key. Sometimes we don't have warm places in our houses and we need a warm place for the dough to rise. So heat the oven to 175 and turn it off, and then you may put the dough in there to rise with a towel over it. So here we are rolling out the dough. I'm adding brown butter before adding brown sugar and cinnamon. I felt like with this recipe, the brown butter was a key component in the way we enjoyed the taste of the cinnamon rolls. In my opinion, cinnamon rolls have a very standard taste, but this was really, really interesting, and it just deepened the taste of the cinnamon roll, in my opinion. So here I'm putting the brown sugar, and then I'm going to go over with a little bit of cinnamon. I'm going to give them a roll. Now, please do not stress out if you do not have floss to cut your cinnamon rolls. You can use a serrated knife if you do not have unflavored dental floss. So here my pan has already been sprayed. I put all the cinnamon rolls into the pan. I put it back in the oven so it can stay warm and re-rise again. Here I'm going to pour about 6 ounces of buttermilk over, not buttermilk, heavy cream over the cinnamon rolls. So that they can get this nice gooiness. But here I'm making the glaze to go on top. This is 1/3 cup of butter and about 4 tablespoons of melted butter and about 2 cups of powdered sugar. I'm using my hand mixer. You can use that. I feel like the hand mixer does an even better job than the mixer. I'm adding in about 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. Here I'm adding the icing to the cinnamon rolls. They're absolutely perfect. I just find that you cannot get a better cinnamon roll, and I find that I'm making our cinnamon rolls at home more than buying them out of the store. This was amazing. You have to try this recipe if you try no other cinnamon roll recipe. My meal planner book is dropping soon.